everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Raya, and it's been a while since I last filmed something. All of my videos were pre-filmed and I miss making videos for YouTube. So today I'm gonna do something that I really want to do because it's trendy and it's a wish list of mine to experience this type of makeup season. So let's just pretend that I'm not in the Philippines right now, which is a tropical country where we only have rainy days or sunny days. But let's pretend that today I'm gonna experience the first day of fall. So yeah, I'm creating a pumpkin spice latte makeup look. So if you're interested, then just keep on watching. I don't want my base to look so cakey and full coverage, so I'm just gonna take this. This is the West Coast Tinted Sunscreen from Skin Foundry, and if you haven't watched my full review on the brand, just click on my recent videos. I have a full review on their products. So I'm just gonna take a little bit, one pump of that. I'm gonna mix in this LA Girl Pro Coverage in the shade Warm Beige. This one is a little bit too dark for me, so I usually just mix this in with my other foundations. And then I use my fingers to rub them together. And boom. I don't want something heavy on my skin today because one, I'm wearing this makeup look to church and I don't want to be too much. But I mean, it's just makeup, but a lot of people who goes to church don't really wear too much makeup. So yeah, I'm trying to fit in. Beauty sponge and plunge it in. And I assume that for those of you who have fall season, wants their base to be hydrating and moisturizing, because fall season tends to make your skin a little bit drier. Wow, as if I have experienced it firsthand. I haven't actually. I live in a tropical country, as I've said before in the intro. The Philippines only have two seasons, the rainy season and the dry season, and there's no in between. Yeah. Although I love the rainy season just because it's so nice to just stay in and be cozy and watch a movie. But I absolutely hate the rainy days when it's a school day, because who wants to go to school when it's raining, you know? It's not conducive for learning, and all I want to do is just lie down on my bed and have a nice warm meal and then a nice Korean drama to watch. Sweet spot for me. Anyways, it has always been my wish to experience fall and winter season. Just taking my concealer. This is my usual Maybelline Age Rewind concealer, just to highlight the under eye area and conceal it as well. You know the drill. And my sister actually has experienced both because she recently had an exchange program, a scholarship last year, where she got in basically a school in West Virginia, USA. And it was such a magical experience for her to be able to experience winter, snow, fall. Oh my gosh, when she changed her profile picture to autumn leaves, I was just like, take me, take me. And it's actually one of my favorite seasons to look forward to in terms of the makeup world, because all of the looks that come out during the fall are so warm, so reminiscent of autumn leaves, that it's just colorful, and it's my kind of vibe, I think. And I love fall fashion. I love wearing turtlenecks, and I absolutely dream of wearing a trench coat someday. Maybe one day when I get rich and have a decent job where I can travel, I think that would be my first thing to do. I don't care which place I'm gonna go, which country I'm gonna go to, but I just want to experience fall season, period. Just so I can wear turtlenecks, trench coats, boots, and wear all the orangey pumpkin spice latte inspired makeup looks. That would be a dream come true. And I'm putting it out in the universe right now through this video, because someday I'm gonna be able to do that. Taking my Vice Cosmetics brow gel and just taming my brow hairs in place. And then we're gonna go to eyeshadows, and I think this is the star of the show for today. I'm gonna take my Extra Spice palette, the one from Makeup Revolution and the collab with Soft Dust Nails, because I think it's only fitting, because hello, the name screams it all. Extra Spice, pumpkin spice latte inspired makeup video. You know, it just makes sense. So I'm gonna take a crease brush, and I think I'm gonna go into Running Late first. This is a nice bright warm orange shade, and I'm popping that on the crease. Want this to be the focal point of the transition color, so I'm just really making sure that this is blown out all over the crease. And I don't know if we have that particular pumpkin spice latte drink that everyone is raving on and wanting to try during the first day of fall here in our Starbucks place. I don't really drink coffee, right? I'm that kind of person who thinks water is the holy grail drink. I'm an adult, guys. I'm an adult. Anyway, I don't drink coffee, so I don't go to Starbucks that often. So I don't know if that choice of drink is available here. I think I'm gonna do a halo eye, so I'm just gonna warm up the crease a little bit with Sweet and Sour, just taking the same brush, but I'm gonna do this a little lower. This has more of an orange base. If you watch Alana Davison, she has that perfect wardrobe for fall, and it's so sophisticated, so elegant looking, timeless, classic, everything that I ever want to be in my wardrobe. Sadly, my weather cannot accommodate the kind of wardrobe pieces that I like. It's just rather unfortunate that I live in a tropical country. Don't get me wrong, I love my country. I think the Philippines offers a lot of wonderful tourist spots, especially the beaches. I bet you guys don't have beaches where you're from. Shout out to Jeanette Harvey. Hello, thank you so much for always supporting my videos. But yeah, the beaches here are so spectacular, and if there's one thing that I can recommend you in visiting my country, it's the beaches. They're magnificent. Anyways, going back to the tutorial or like makeup look, gonna take chocolate orange and I'm gonna start building up the outer and inner crease for our halo eye. I'm taking a little bit of cheesecake and even popping that on the most outer and inner parts of my eye. And I'm being lazy, I'm just using one brush. Thankfully, this brush is not your typical crease brush. It's actually dense and a little bit flat, but not flat enough that you can't use it to fluff it out on your crease. You can tilt it like that to be your packing brush. Tilt it this way so you can go deep through the crease, or tilt it that way so that you can use it as a buffing crease brush. I like this brush actually. I'm gonna connect all the shades on my crease. So lastly, I'm just gonna pack LA Sun, this gorgeous blinding yellow shade, on the middle part. I'm not gonna take any, what do you call that, any concealer, because I just want this to be soft. I'm using this shade Dry, and look at how pigmented that is and how reflective the shimmer shade is. I like that. My brush to this tiny detail brush, take a little bit of that glitter shade LA Sun and pop that on the center part of my lower lash line. I'm actually gonna take a black eyeliner pencil and start to line my upper lash line with it. I'm also gonna take the same eyeliner to tightline my eyes. Okay, so let's go to bronzing, and I think I'm gonna use this powder brush as my bronzing brush just to switch things up, see if I like the effect more. I'm gonna take the highlight from the same palette that we used for our bronzer earlier and just highlight the highest points of my face. This is a nice golden champagne highlight, so I think it will match well with the overall vibe that I'm going. And I'm actually placing my highlight first because I want it to be seamless and I want it to blend well with the rest of my makeup. Sometimes when you go last with your highlighter, pause on that explanation. I'm gonna take this peachy blush shade from the same palette and plunge it on the apples of my cheeks. Anyways, whenever I do my highlight last, I actually think that it's too unnatural because you have like a stripe of highlighter going on here, and I don't think that's flattering for me, for my makeup style. And I actually learned this trick from Melissa Alatorre. I'm gonna take an angled brush, put a little bit of my bronzing shade and sculpt my nose out. For lips, I'm going in with the tinted lip balm from Skin Foundry. Again, I reviewed this earlier and you can check that out if you're interested in this product. This is a nice kind of spicy brick red shade. This is spiced latte. Oh, this shade is actually fitting for the tutorial right now. However, I think this is too dark for what I have in mind, so I'm gonna layer up my lip product, although I can leave it at this point and this will be like a nice warm vampy look. And if you like this kind of look, then leave it at this point. But I'm just gonna take this BLK Universal All Day Lip in the shade Latte. Wow! I swear to God, I am not planning these looks out to fit in this makeup tutorial, but it seems to make sense. And this is the shade. I haven't used this on cam, but I've used this off cam a lot of times, and it's so pretty, and it's actually a nice color to represent latte. Wow, I'm really surprised at my choices today. It all seems to fit well, coincidentally. So this is a much lighter nude shade, so I'm gonna put this on top. Okay, so the last thing that I need to do is put on my mascara. This makeup look is complete, and I hope that you enjoyed this chatty get ready with me, and I hope that you like this makeup look I have created. This is me bringing fall season into my life without really experiencing it. That's so sad, right? Anyways, someday, one day, I'm putting this out to the universe. I will be able to experience that. And yeah, thank you so much for joining me today. I'm sorry if this video is like all over the place and so chit-chatty, but I hope that you got to know me more on a personal level, and I hope that you like the makeup look that I've created. It's such a glamorous look. I admit this is a glam look that I've done for quite some time. I don't wear a lot of glam looks nowadays because I don't have any events to go to, and well, I think it's just too much for an everyday basis, especially that I'm doing lab work for like school days, so it's like a hassle and a big no-no to wear makeup on a daily basis whenever you do lab work. But I enjoyed putting on makeup and I enjoyed playing with makeup, and I think this is the essence of makeup, you know? Just to feel good about yourselves and just to create art and to let your imagination run wild and be creative. So yeah, I think I'm gonna end this video right here. I love this makeup look and I hope that you love it as well. To all of you pumpkin spice latte lovers, this is for you. See you in my next video. Bye!